She's not only a product of our local school system, she's an advocate.
Evelyn Del Rey is my mejor amiga, my numero uno best friend. Come play, Daniela, she says, just like she always does, just like today is any other day.
Now, it's time to take off that mask and reveal last week's mask reader. Who is it?
Evelyn Del Rey is my mejor amiga, my numero uno best friend. Come play, Daniela, she says, just like she always does. Just like today is any other day. So I bundle up and cross the street. A big truck with its mouth wide open is parked at the curb, ready to gobble up Evelyn's mirror with the stickers around the edge, her easel for painting on rainy days, and the sofa that we bounce onto to get to the moon. She is waiting for me inside the iron doors. Then we climb the steps, two at a time, just like we always do.
Who is it? Shelby County School Board member Michelle Robinson McKissick. And remember to stop by any Memphis Public Library to pick up a free copy of Evelyn Del Rey is Moving Away while supplies last.